guys, so today we are reviewing this pencil, the Artline mechanical pencil. It's made by Shakita Ink. It comes in 0.5 millimeter and 0.7 millimeter lead, but this one specifically has the 0.5 millimeter lead. So yeah, it's an Artline pencil. It's a mechanical pencil. It comes with the mechanical pencil and the pencil's lead. So let's open this thing. Comes in this pretty nice packaging. So we open it like that. Pretty easy open. Just like that, it's open. Oh yes, बहुत ही प्रीमियम फीलिंग जैसा फीलिंग आता है. We also get some leads. These are 0.5 millimeter 2B leads, 10 leads per tube. These are not sold separately. They're not sold loosely at all. Here we have our pencil. It has this eraser on top. Like most of mechanical pencils, just comes out. Let's see how it writes. Okay, so let's see how it writes. Oh my god, it just broke. Yes, this is not. Yes, it's 0.5 millimeter lead. So it will break for a lot of time. Not recommended for writing. I could not even show you how it compares. See, this is how it is. This. There. I could not write with it. I mean, it's Artline. It's not for noting really. So this is more like for art. Yes, this does do some good lines. You cannot do dark shading with it. Let's see its shading. Oh yes. Yes. See this shading. Oh yes. This is great for shading. If you want to shade with this, if you want like something to really shade with, this is great. It's great for shading. Let's see its smudge. It smudges pretty well. This is great for shading. I mean, this is for art. It's Artline brand anyways. Let's see how this eraser works. This eraser works pretty well. Why does this eraser smudges? This thing, the eraser leaves blue smudges. Unexpected. And of course, the lead. Got to change. How do we change the lead of this thing? Oh, yeah, like every other. You gotta take it off the fair rule. Like every other pencil, you got to take it off the fair rule. Yes. This thing, its lead requires a lot of changing. So we have this thing. So let's try it with this. I didn't get time to write it. Let's just see. No, this one is broken. This thing breaks very often. Sorry. This thing keeps on losing. Let's see how it erases though. Here I have two erasers. This is the Faber-Castell one. And this is the Apsara Rubber. Let's see how it erases. Well, it erases smoothly with the rubber. Oh my god, I took it off. So you just got that shot, right? You could see how they have that lead. Oh, now let's see how the Faber-Castell just does it. Well, it's an art pencil. It's great for shading. You just have to. It's great for shading. And I don't like recommend this eraser. It just leaves blue smudges. See, you have to see this. It leaves these blue smudges. Overall, it's a pencil for art, man. And what is this? This thing keeps on taking off. See? It's not good for note taking. This thing, if you're note taking with this thing, it's just good. So if you're shading, it's just for shading. If you want to shade, then shade. If you want to write, then it will break. There, I made a line. Done. That's the summary. It looks nice for note taking, but this is for art. Art line. It's for art, man. Art. So that's all for today's video. Till then, bye bye.